Today, I'm going to explain the difference between UI, UX, and product design. This is also one of the most commonly asked UX interview question, as well as one of the most confusing one for the beginners in UX design. So let's get started. Let's first understand what UX design is. If you remember, in my last video, I talked about UX design in detail. In that video, I have given a definition of UX design, and the definition goes like this. UX design is a process of creating experiences which are effective, efficient, easy, and enjoyable. So the definition says that it's a process. Remember this, it's a process. This is very important to understand. Now this process is a set of things we do to create the experiences. This set of things includes conducting user research, creating wireframe, creating prototype, conducting usability testing, etc. Picture this. UX design is a bigger umbrella, and all the subcomponents of UX design such as user research, user interface, information architecture, all falls under this bigger umbrella. So now I hope you understand what UX design is. Let's move forward and understand what UI design is. As explained, UI design is a subset of UX design which primarily focus on the look and feel of the product, such as color, typography, buttons, navigations, etc. Therefore, to conclude, UI is not equal to UX, neither UX is equal to UI. UI is a subset of UX. It is a method through which we create the experiences. Hope this clarifies the UI versus UX debate. Now let's go ahead and try to understand what this product design is and how is it different from UX design. As far as I am concerned, there is no difference between these two. The only difference I see is how company name their roles. Apple call their designers as product designer, and Google call their designers as UX designer. To prove my point, let's look at Apple's and Google's job description in their job portal. Here is the Apple's job portal. Let's search for UX design here. See, there are no such roles available as UX designer in Apple. If we search for product design, there you go. You can see there are jobs available as product designer. Now let's see Google's job portal. Let's search for product design role. See, there is no such role as product design in Google. If you search for UX designer, there you go. You can see there are jobs available as UX designer. Now let's quickly compare the job responsibilities of Apple's product designer and Google's UX designers side by side. Do you see any difference? I don't see any. I will share the web links of both of these jobs so that you can read and understand by yourself. There is no difference at all. If you are an UX design aspirant, my humble request is to stop worrying about all these nonsensical things and focus on learning the core aspect of UX design. For that, you can watch this complete playlist on the UX design for beginners, which will give you a good foundational knowledge of UX design. Now go and watch that, and I'll see you next time.